hello, everyone. How are you today, Legends of the Legends of the Legends? Hello, buongiorno. Welcome, everyone, in Crypto Legends, the most beautiful educational live channel about cryptocurrency on YouTube. Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Cryptobank. I'm the super hyper mega great legend. And today we are going to discuss about the price of Bitcoin and to have some casino! Spacco tutto. So, welcome everyone. Crypto Legends Show, the best show ever saw about crypto and about Bitcoin all around the world. My name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super legends, and today I'm going to show you my chart about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin today faced a big resistance in the 4-hour time frame around the $24,000. So this is the biggest resistance I can see here, around $24,000, and the price got a rejection from here. It's really clear, and yeah, we start a small downtrend yesterday in the 4-hour. After that, we got a small bounce onto the 23,600, and then we start a downtrend again. So, what to expect now about the price of Bitcoin? Last week we had like one, two, and three bearish divergences. So these are the bearish divergences, and this is the last resistance around 24,200. So as you can see here in the cipher B, the price got a reversal and a bearish divergence, and the money flow indicator never reached the overbought the zone. So it basically missed the bump, and the price of Bitcoin was rejected. This was basically a big cap with handle, and yeah, Bitcoin price pumped like $2,000 from this big cap, and it went around to touch the 24,000 level in really few hours. After that, the price got a rejection, and it started a small bounce from here. And yeah, the downtrend basically is continuing right now, and it's going really down. The price is going really down. We had a big vibration around the 22,000 and 3,300. So basically, people here looks to buy, but yeah, we didn't reach the oversold zone. We are still here bounce. So let's go closer to see what is happening to the price of Bitcoin. Let's go closer. So Bitcoin here was literally both. In this range, we had this big support level around 22,000, and we retested the EMA 200 like here, and like again like around somewhere around here. But basically what I can see here is a big head and shoulder in the 1 hour. There is big head and shoulders, and so in my opinion this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and the price start to have a downtrend once again from here. And yeah, it missed totally the 200 EMA in the 1 hour time frame, and also it broke up this support level, and this support level they broke up, and yeah, here hit the tobacco line was hit. This is a good indicator for reversal of the trend. So what to expect now in the 4 hour? Yeah, what you can see is that we miss this support at the moment, and what I expect now is to retest the EMA 200 in the 4 hours. So basically, I expect a downtrend like this until this level, $22,200, and the downtrend, yes, could continue because the last time we had this support level, only this was the support level around $80,000, $18,000. So at the moment, yeah, I still expect a downtrend in the price of Bitcoin, and yeah, I think it will bounce lower around here, somewhere around the $22,000, but also the $21,000 is still possible. And after that, yeah, what I expect is a continuation of the uptrend. But yes, it will not be fast and quick. It will take time. So what I expect is like not in August, because now we are in the end of July. So basically, I think in the end of the summer, and yeah, this downtrend will touch again the 22,000 or maybe lower the 21,000, somewhere around here. But yeah, from what can I see, the price of Bitcoin is still good to buy. And yeah, as you can see, we faced the resistance also in the daily, so around the $24,000, but also lower around in the $18,000 we got the resistance. But yeah, I think that the price of Bitcoin is still good to buy because Bitcoin is still a store of value, in my opinion. And we fall down a lot from the $60,000. So basically, in the weekly, the Asher Ribbons indicator is still negative, but what I can see here is that we fall down a lot from yeah, the 20,000, the $60,000 was the all-time high, somewhere around here, and yeah, we drop from $60,000, we drop until the $20,000. Yeah, in the weekly we still have this Hasher Ribbons indicator still negative, but remember that there is always a buy in the end of this Hasher Ribbons indicator. So let's wait more. Don't fall in FOMO or food at the moment, because yeah, I think that it will be great if Bitcoin could recover until this level, like $30,000. But yeah, I think that it will need time. So basically, don't need to fall in FOMO, and no need to fall in fear. But basically, hold is still good to hold. Bitcoin price is still good to buy because, in my opinion, it's still a store of value. And yeah, what goes down later will goes up again. So I think that the price of Bitcoin will reach once again the all-time high, and maybe it will pass it. So yeah, stay positive, and always use your stop loss and your take profit for your trades. In my opinion, the $18,000 is still a good support zone where to buy. And yeah, I think that the price of Bitcoin will move on recovering the end of the summer. So this was just, in my opinion, was just the beginning of a new cycle, of a new market cycle. So basically, the price could drop a little bit more, but yeah, it's still good to buy, in my opinion. And yeah, Bitcoin price will have a new cycle, new market cycle. So basically, from here we will reach a new recovery. So yeah, the Asher Ribbons indicator is still negative here, but for what I can see in the weekly, the money flow indicator looks on recover. So this basically could be a good bottom to buy at around $17,000. We touched it like 3 weeks ago. And yeah, never forget to hold your Bitcoin. Don't go over leverage. Check the fear and greed index. And yeah, I mean that's what I think about the price of Bitcoin. It will recover for sure. So let's just be patient and yeah, keep move forward about your plan. And otherwise, I want to show you one other chart in the weekly chart. I want to show you the big support level that we have in the weekly. So yeah, the price of Bitcoin is still good in my opinion. Maybe we will fall down a little bit more from this level, but yeah, it's still good to buy. So this is the weekly, but let me show you the daily also. In the daily, from what can I see in the daily, is that there is like here there are two big support zones, and yeah, there were last 2 days there were these resistance level around the 24,200 is that the price we reach. So basically, yes, I expect to go a little bit lower in the 4-hour time frame to reach like this level around this EMA around the $22,000 and 200. So basically, I expect to go a little bit lower. And also this for me is another shoulder in the 1-hour chart. So I expect to go a little bit lower from here. And but in the daily, what I can see, maybe yes, we will go also lower in the daily, like to this line around $21,000. And this is still the range, but in my opinion, the Bitcoin price is still good to buy. So maybe after this small pullback, we will have an uptrend continuation until this line. So this is my target. This is what I'm looking at the moment. And yeah, I think that the price of Bitcoin will recover until this level. So until the $25,000 is my level. So let me show you also the weekly. In the weekly chart, we still have this start of uptrend with this green candle. And as you can see here, we have this big support zone, support level around $90,000. And yeah, what I hope for the price of Bitcoin is that it will turn again higher. So for next 2 days, from here we have 2 more green candlesticks, and to recover until this price. So basically from $22,000 until $32,000. And yeah, I hope really that for the price of Bitcoin, because otherwise we could have like a really bad situation, maybe the worst, because basically what could happen is that the price could move lower. So if we don't retest this EMA in the daily, so basically we can crash more. And yes, maybe in the future the price of Bitcoin could go lower, like to retest this level. So this is still possible. It's still possible. We have still a lot of selling pressure here. So yeah, it's not done yet for the the price of Bitcoin. But yes, I'm still positive, and I hope for a recovery. The price is really good to buy. We fall down around around $40,000, so the price is still good to buy. You are not buying the $40,000. You are not buying the $60,000. You are buying the $20,000. So yeah, in my opinion, it's still a store of value, and it's still a good price. Yeah. So that's all for the moment. I think about the Bitcoin update, and yes, I want to show you also the it update. There will be a big release about Ethereum later, and so as you can see, it's the same situation of Bitcoin, but basically Ether pumped more, so it has this uptrend, but in the daily it faced this resistance zone. So yeah, the price of Ether is still in this channel from 800 to $1,500. But yeah, it looks in the daily, it looks better than BTC. So yeah, Ether looks good. Maybe it will have a small pullback and it will go lower, but yeah, this looks better. Looks better than Bitcoin, and yeah, I mean the ecosystem of it is still good, and they will have a big update about the new release, it 2.0. So yes, I think that it is still a good coin. So for today, I think that's all. Thank you very much for joining our live. So subscribe if you like what you see. Subscribe to our channel, Crypto Legendz. Check our social media on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. Subscribe to all our channel. And yeah, my name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super mega hyper super Legendz. Subscribe also to all my social media accounts on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you very much for watch our live show. Thank you, Crypto Legendz. And I wish you everyone a lovely day and a lovely weekend. And thank you very much, everyone. I passed the 15,000 visualization, and I hope that you like the content. So thank you, everyone. And wish you everyone a great weekend. Okay? Ciao, Crypto. Thanks for watching. Ciao, everyone. Bye-bye. Ciao.